Big news just dropped at Hasbro PostCon that there will be a new kind of subsect of the Lightning Collection. That being Lightning Collection Monsters, focusing specifically on monsters and seemingly more on monsters of the week rather than like the big monsters that we see in the Lightning Collection. But that's just what I've observed, nothing confirmed on that. The two figures that have been revealed are King Sphinx and Pumpkin Wrapper, both from MMPR Season 1. Something interesting is that they are going to be in a different scale, 7 inches. Personally, that doesn't make any sense whatsoever to me, because why would you have monsters that you can't really pose with the Rangers because they're much taller? But whatever, maybe it'll end up working out that it's like closer to how it looks on the show, who knows. Something cool about the Pumpkin Wrapper one is that it does have pumpkins that you can snap onto the heads of your Ranger figures, which is really cool. And interestingly enough, they're going to be doing kind of what they do with a lot of their other figures, like I believe Marvel Legends does this, but I could be wrong in that. This is just me talking on the fly here, guys, because this news is coming out fast. It comes out in like waves of 10, so they're going to be doing 10 of these figures at once, and I think it's going to be a case of, well, how well do those 10 figures sell before they decide to do 10 more, or however many more they decide to do next. So we'll just have to wait and see. King Sphinx and Pumpkin Wrapper, what do you think? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you later. Bye.